Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel D Creations Resources. We are looking at multiple choice questions from physics, maths, etc. Today let us tackle a question from solid state physics. The question is, what is the percentage of free space in a FCC, that is face centered cubic unit cell? And the options are 20%, 26%, 32% and 38%. If you know the answer, just mark it and check it. If you don't know the answer, well, here usually the questions that are asked are about packing fraction, and here same question or same information is sought but with a twist. So instead of directly asking you what is packing fraction of FCC, they have asked you the percentage of free space, because that is going to be the remaining space. So if you know the packing fraction for FCC, it is 74%. So free space is obviously going to be 100 minus that. So it's 26%, and the option is B.